Good morning, friends. Happy Tuesday. It's Miss Danielle, and I am here for another circle time. I am hiding in my room from all my family to come spend some time with you right now. So, I wanted to tell you a little bit about today. Today is Tuesday, and remember last week I told you we are in the new month of April. So today is Tuesday, and I know I'm kind of sitting right in front of the calendar here. I don't have that much space to spread out all the things that we would have in the classroom. Today is Tuesday, April 14th. Can you say that with me? Tuesday, April 14th. Let's count to 14, should we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't hear you. 11, 12, 13, 14. And it's a beautiful day today. Go take a quick peek outside the window and tell me what the weather is. Is it a little bit chilly? It was a little chilly when we woke up this morning, but the sun is out shining now and it has warmed up the air, and now it is just a nice, beautiful day, and it's not too hot, and it'd be great to go ride your bike or play outside. I hope you've gotten to do that today. Have some recess time outside. Okay, so we have a new letter today. We're going to quick sing the alphabet, and you're going to tell me what comes after the last letter we did, which was S. So sing it with me now. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? I hope you did sing with me, so you didn't just have to hear my singing voice. The next letter that we are going to learn about is the letter T. Comes right after S. T, 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 T. So sing it with me. The T says T. The T says T. Every letter makes a sound. The T says, what? T. T, T, T. Train. Miss Danielle has a picture of a train. Can you say T, 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 train? Can you think of something that starts with the letter T? There's a lot of words that start with the letter T. In fact, there's one right behind me. Do you see it? I didn't even know it was there until I turned around to look at the calendar, and I went, ah, it's a triangle. T-t-t, triangle. That's one of our shapes, right? Yes. So triangle starts with T, and train starts with T. Okay, got that? Let's go to our workbooks. So you should have your workbooks out, and you should have page 121. Page 121. It is with the letter T, and it says T is for tiger. Can you say tiger? Tiger. Yeah, good job. Let's think of what else T starts with. Table. Teeth. Let me see your teeth. Big smile. That's kind of scary, right? Teeth. What about telephone? I know you probably don't recognize that picture right there because about this one. Telephone. That's more like it, right? Turtle. How many people have seen a turtle? I've seen turtles. Sometimes I see turtles crossing the street by my house. And tree. Tree. And triangle. Triangle. We already found one triangle up here, right? Okay, so do me a favor, get your big pencil and hold it properly. Remember how we hold it. Pinch the point, and if you forgot how to hold it, go chomp, 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 chomp all the way down till you get to the bottom so that you're holding it just like that in your chomper, okay? Okay, so at the top you're going to write your name, and if you've written your name, you can go down and trace the letter T. If you want, remember, you could trace it with your fingers first. So you could do T, and then the little t. And I'm going to show you how to do it right here. So while you're doing that, I'm going to lift up the board. Miss Danielle's full of tricks over here. Okay, so here's our board. And a T is really easy to write. Do you want to know why? All it is a bunch of lines. Okay, let me erase that. Use my sleeve because I didn't bring anything to erase. There we go. Okay, so the first line in the big T, the uppercase T, is going to be a straight line. Start at the top all the way down to the bottom. The next thing you're going to do is put a little hat on him. Just like that, another straight line. So one line, two line. There's the man, and there's his little hat. Can you do that for me? Now, if you're done with the front of your sheet, and if you're done tracing the T's, turn it over to the back and practice with me, right on the back of your paper, okay? You could do big T, just like that. Do a few of them. I want to see a lot of them, okay? So now let's do the little T. Again, it's just a line, but now, instead of his, did I do that all crooked? I'm sorry. Here's a straight line, I think. And then instead of his hat being on the top of his head, we're going to make the line right about there. Looks like the cross, right? I think you recognize it. You see the big cross on the top of the church? That's what a little T looks like too. So again, two lines, straight down, and then cross it right there. Okay, so the T is pretty easy to write. So did you write them all out? Do, 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 do. Are you finished? Let's move on to our next page, okay? Ooh, say bye-bye, T's. Okay. Our next page is Workbook, page 125. Can you grab 125 for me? I'll see if I can grab it. I can't even reach it. And this one says T is for turtle. Who can tell me what color that turtle is? It's Sam's old favorite color. He has a new favorite color now, and I bet he can't wait to tell you when he sees you. It's green. This turtle is green. Turtle. So once again, you can trace the T's with your finger, and you can write your name on the top. Now, if you're having trouble writing your name on the top, ask mommy or daddy or a big sibling, sister or brother, to write your name out for you, and you can just trace over it, just so that we keep practicing, okay? So then, when you're done with that, you can trace up and down on the T's, make all your lines, and don't forget to cross them. And then on the back, you're going to practice again doing some T's for me, okay? And remember, excuse me, so many of you shared your workbooks with me and your worksheets and for your letter S, and I loved seeing you work so hard on them. So if you want mommy and daddy to send me a picture of what you've been working on, I would love to see it. So please have them send me a picture. Okay, we've got one more. Wait, I almost didn't do show and tell. And I brought 3 things today. 3 things that start with the letter T. Who can guess what the first one is? Nope, not a turtle. Nope, not a tree. I couldn't fit a tree in my bedroom. I'm silly. I'm in my bedroom hiding, remember? Shh. T is for Tyrannosaurus Rex. This is one of the, he doesn't look so scary, but the Tyrannosaurus Rex is one of the scariest, most fiercest dinosaurs that ever lived. So he is a T-Rex. Tyrannosaurus Rex. And honestly, I don't know where this friend came from. It is one of my boys, and I am not sure. Maybe one of their grandparents bought it for them, because I don't even know. But he is super cool, and Gio loves playing with him in the bathtub. So that's my first T. T is for Tyrannosaurus Rex. And then we have the most ferocious animal ever, the tiger. Tiger. And we already learned that T is for tiger, right? Right here. This is my tiger. My kids have so much fun playing with all these animals. And you can maybe see a tiger when you go to the zoo, because we love going to the zoo and seeing all the animals. And then when you see the tiger, you can tell everyone that tiger starts with T. Tiger. And last but not least, this might be a noisy show and tell, because for some reason this is always making a lot of noise. T is for tractor. Do you see my tractor? I don't know. Maybe it won't make noise today. This thing always makes noise. There it is. Making some cow sounds. That's the tractor sound. Okay, so T is for tractor. So this tractor is going to sit right here next to me, okay? Here's the song. Can you dance? Tractor. Tractor. Okay. I'm going to turn that off because quite honestly, I hear that all the time. Okay, so we did show and tell. We went over our letter T, but let's talk about our number. We are still going to talk about number 13 for just a few more days, okay? So remember the number 13. How did we draw it? Oh, let's lift up this. Let's use Miss Danielle's sleeve to erase the T's. And we are going to draw the number 13. So remember, it's a 1, which is a straight line top to bottom, and a 3. So you're going to go 1 hump, 2 hump. 13. Can you see that straight? I'm not sure. So a line from top to bottom, and then start at the top again and do 2 humps for the number 13. So let's go really quick to our workbooks because I think we're running out of time. We are going to go to page in the number workbook, in the Abeka Numbers book, 111. And this, oh, well, would you go think about that? It's a turtle, which goes right with the letter T, turtle. And he has 13 marks on his shell. Let's count them. Put your finger on the number 1. It's just a straight line. Number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 parts to his shell. Okay, so don't forget, put your name up on the top, or if you need help, ask mommy or daddy. And what I want you to do is before you color each number, tell your mommy what the number is. So point to the 5 and say, 5, boom, and then color in that part, okay? And then you're going to color the turtle green because he's outlined in green. And you can color his shell in brown because that's the color of a turtle, right? Green and brown. Okay, my friends, well, I'm going to sign off, but I'll be back in a couple days and we will have an even newer letter because we've got to finish up the alphabet. School's not going to last forever and we are not done with the alphabet yet. So I hope you're being good and I hope you are having a fun time at home with your mommy and daddy and your brothers and sisters. And I will see you and talk to you so soon. Okay, bye. Love you.